Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Dark Skin Next Door. I'm just doing a simple hair styling installation for you all. I really hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hello beauties, we're getting straight into it. This is BeautyForever Hair Company. This is everything that came inside of the package: a wig cap, a headband just to tie it down in the front, and also a decorative one, very cute. And also it is a bonnet just to wrap the hair, just to keep it safe and not messed up. It is very cute and comfortable. It did also come with a makeup brush. I am definitely going to use this to wipe away the setting powder. And also it did come with eyelashes, very cute, a little bit longer than what I expected, but it's very nice. This is the headband just to hold down the lace, very stylish. You can always wear this for style. This wig is a dark auburn water wave 13x4 lace front wig, a 24-inch and 150 density. This hair is beautiful. I love the color on my skin tone. So starting off with the back part, it also do come with an elastic band to hold everything back, but it is adjustable, so you can take it off if it is too much. So let's get started. Now we're just going to slide on the wig to make sure it aligns correctly. The thing to do is cut off the ear tabs just so it lines up with your ear, and as for baby hairs on the sides. You would want to use a pretty sharp tool for this, but make sure to be careful. This wig is already looking pretty good, but now we're going to add the even lace front spray. Because I don't want it to be a crazy strong hold, I'm just putting this, but it does give it a good hold where you can wear it in the heat. But I wouldn't go to a place that you're sweating a lot, like a sauna.
Screaming, oh my God, 'cause you love too deep. You know you love too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night, screaming, oh my mind, 'cause you love.
I'm using the elastic band that they gave me just to dry the lace front spray. Starting onto the baby hairs, I want them to be pretty dramatic, but I am plucking the hairs away just so it's a thinner and better look and more natural look. lace off, you would want to go in a zigzag motion, but because my scissors are pretty dull, I kind of have to go straight across, but the baby hair will definitely make up for it. So now it's time to cut the baby hairs. I like using this comb slash razor, be careful, because it gives it more of a, not a blunt cut look, which I really like for the baby hairs and if you are doing layering. Before, this hair is a 24-inch, but it is pretty long. I love this kind of look. It looks great on me. Now we're going in just so we can get that water wave back to the hair. Want to be pretty generous about the water that you are putting in your hair. I'm going in with this mousse right here, Aunt Jackie's mousse. I believe you can find it at any beauty supply store or Amazon. I'm using the crimping method with my hands just so we can keep that wave and see, there you go. This hair is very soft and definitely bounce back with the curls. I'm going in with my diffuser just so it can give it a little bit more wave to this hair and add moisture without making it frizzy or dry. basically the finished look. You can do a middle part and also a side part because this is a 13x4 lace wig, so you can do multiple styles. A deep side part, definitely a middle part is what I always like to go with, but with wavy hair sometimes the side part is a little bit cuter. But that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.